Namaskar, this is Vijay Raj Desai. It is my effort to make astrology extremely simple so that no one gets fooled because of astrology and so that almost everyone can understand the basics. Please note, only the basics of astrology but accurately. Today, I'll be speaking on Neptune. There is almost no house in the Kundli where Neptune can be said to be extremely strong or extremely good. Neptune is best as far as signs are concerned in water signs, which means in Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, which means at number 8, Scorpio, Vrishchik, number 12, Meen, Pisces, and number 4, Kark, Cancer. There is almost no other planet which, when associated with Neptune, can make Neptune stronger. Neptune generally gives very bad effects when it is situated in the 12th house of the Kundli, of the horoscope. And Neptune, when placed in fiery signs such as Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, or when placed in airy signs such as Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius, generally gives bad effects. However, there are exceptions to almost all rules in astrology. Fiery signs, which I mentioned, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, are at number 1, 5, and 9, that is Mesh, Singha, and Dhanu. Airy signs, which I mentioned, are at number 3, 7, and 11, which means 3, Mithun, 7, Tula, and 11, Kumbh. Almost all planets can lose some of their strengths if placed and when placed along with Neptune, with the exception of maybe Jupiter and Pluto, depending on the situations in the horoscope. Of course, there are exceptions to almost all rules, I always say. Now, about the effects that Neptune actually gives. When it is Neptune, bad news first. There is not a single house in the horoscope which gives only positive results if Neptune is situated there. There is some chaos in relation to that house of the horoscope, Kundli. Chaos created by situations which are destined. Difficulties created by situations which are destined. There is almost no exception to this rule unless there is some miraculous combination in the horoscope, in the Kundli. However, if your Kundli is otherwise good, you will not get any such destined difficulty. This itself means that almost every horoscope, almost every Kundli has some difficulty which can be, in other words, described as some imperfection. This also means, if put in other words, that no person is perfect and no Kundli is absolutely perfect. If there is no other difficulty, this Neptune placement gives some difficulty or some imperfection. It need not be difficulty, it may be imperfection, but it may be difficulty also. So, in this sense, the word chaos that I used earlier can be said to be imperfection also, if not actual chaos. Now, the good news. Wherever Neptune is posited in the horoscope, wherever it is situated, it gives intensity in relation to that house of the Kundli, of that horoscope. Which intensity allows the person to try to take more care in relation to that house, in relation to the functioning of that house of the Kundli. If you have any difficulties, you can contact me for free consultation on 9021 267 537. May God bless you. All the best.